Hello everyone. So this is 6:30 in the morning and I am making this video. I just wanted to share my workflow with you. So this is a brief I get from one of my clients, and here I had to make three designs for him. Like you can see, this is the text here, blackboards matter, and he attached a link with this description. So the link is this: Black Lives Matter. I just needed to make it blackboards matter, but then he requested me to make it in US flag theme. So for this one here, I made this design for him. Like you can see, that same design, like black lives matter, but I replaced that lives with boards. And to match with the US flag theme, I needed to make it in three color, like the red, blue and white. And then I added some stars in this part just to represent that stars of the flags. So this was one design. They are all approved already, so I just wanted to share with you to give you some idea how clients work or how to work for them. And this is really inspiring. Like this one here, the same thing here, blackboards matter. So for that one here, he just wanted something like this, and that's why he attached two links here. Like you can see, this one and this one, and then from the first image I got this one. So this is the Black Lives Matter movement symbol. I have to use this, and then there is something like this, blackboards matter. So now this is the design he liked. So I could have made something like this, but I just cannot copy someone's work, right? So I made that in a little bit different way, and that is this way. So I keep that hand here, and then I tried to make this text like as he was, like he liked this one, so I have to keep something like this kind of vibe, so then he will easily like it, and he did already. So this was the design, and for US flag theme, of course I have to make these three colors, so I use them here. And this one is also approved. And here is another design she sent me, only trans. Now for this one I got a bit confused here. Like this is only fans, you can see only fans logo. And now this is the color of trans, I mean those who are transgenders, this is the color for them. So this was the text only trans, but I have to make it in this only fans logos theme. This logo he liked somehow, I don't know, and he wanted this logo but created with another text. So for that one here, I made two versions for this, and that was the first version, and that is because I got a bit confused here, that I didn't understood that he want this OnlyFans logo to be converted in in a design. So here I made this just from my idea, and then he gave me some instructions like he want the design in this kind of vibe, and then I made this one for him. Like you can see, as I have showed you here, I don't know which one. Okay, so this one I use this website like my fonts to find this font, and I found that font is a little bit closer to my design, so I take that font. And here, and I showed you that transgender flag, and I picked these colors from there. So as there were three colors like this, pinkish color here, blue, and this white color, so I keep that colors in my design. And then used this lock logo. There is a icon of a lock, so I could have kept that, but I do some search like this transgender symbols, and I found this one. This is the symbol of transgender, so here I added that, and that one is also approved. So the main reason of this video was some of you were asking to show more of client talks or how to work for clients. That's why I made this one. So this is not that every time you will get a huge amount of complicated works, but you have to understand how to convert a design into different ideas, but keeping the same theme. Like this one, the theme is exactly same, like it was Black Lives Matter, but I made it Black Boards Matter. But then also I changed it and make it in US flag kind of theme. And also for this one too, I take this vector, and then I thought about that design. The client is liking something like circular, then if I made something circular, he will like that at once. So I hope this will help you guys, and if so, keep supporting me. I have a great time.
See you in the next video. Thank you.